A good Monday, everybody. Sean Hammond in the Laker Country Weather Center. Hope you had a good weekend. And now let's get started off with another work week. There's a look at the current radar as of 4:45 a.m. this morning. You can see we've got some showers and some thunderstorms across the Commonwealth. We'll zoom in over here just to the north and west of Bowling Green and Warren County. I got some storms popping up around Morgantown, just to the south of Beaver Dam, and about to head into Russellville over there in Logan County. We will put the map into motion. And let me switch radars here real quick. There we go. And now we'll put this into motion over the last 2 hours. That line of showers and storms moving off to the south and southeast. So the stuff over around Bowling Green, that will not be moving in our direction. What we'll be watching for is any kind of, well, that was interesting. Let me see if I can. All right, there we go. All right. Still trying to get used to this radar here and trying to get used to some of the controls. So let's try that again. We'll turn on the telestration here. We're going to be watching for any kind of activity in this general area that will be moving off to the south and southeast. Speaking of severe weather, because there is a risk of severe weather today, let's pull up the risk levels. And, okay, there we go. There's the severe weather threat that is valid for today on this Monday. You can see the yellow area. That is a level 2 slight risk, and that does include all of the Lake Cumberland area with the exception of Monticello and Wayne County and down further to the south and east. And it goes off to the north and west, so it includes Lexington, Louisville, Bowling Green, and over as far west as Paducah. Then we've got a level 1 marginal risk. That's basically for eastern and far southeastern Kentucky and kind of surrounding that slight risk. Let's check out the risk levels. So we'll start out with the hail risk. I will pull it up here. This is the probability of hail. You can see a 15% chance of hail. That includes, like I said, all of Kentucky, which is that's a pretty big threat for hail. So that's something we're going to be watching out for today. Let's look at the probabilities of damaging winds. Again, there it is again. Once again, a 15% chance of damaging winds within a given point in a 25-mile radius. And let's pull up the tornado threat for today. Tornado threat, not that big, but still a 2% chance. So the tornado threat is definitely not at 0 for today. All right, let's pull up the future radar, and we'll talk about things. I'm going to pull up the HER model. That's a little bit higher resolution. Let's get that pulled up here. This run of the model, that's valid at 6 o'clock this morning. So let's move up to about 8 a.m. You can see some more showers and thunderstorms going to start to develop in parts of Tennessee. And look at this coming up in Albany in Clinton County. Now, what I always tell you all about these models, radar will not look exactly like this, but it can give us a pretty good idea on where storms will be. You can see by this afternoon, as we head into the afternoon hours, a line of showers and storms will develop across the western part of the state, and we'll begin to move into our area. This run, maybe by 1 o'clock, we'll have some showers and storms a little bit closer to the Lake Cumberland region. 2 o'clock this afternoon, that line moves through Russell County and the area, and then you can see by 6 o'clock this evening, some more scattered showers and storms developing over in western Kentucky. We'll see what comes out of those. And by 9 o'clock tonight, maybe some more storms moving into Russell County as well. So something we're going to be keeping a close watch on. Like I said, let me pull the threats up once again. And we will pull up the day 1 convective outlook. And you can see level 2 slight risk for much of Kentucky, including the Lake Cumberland area. And like I said, the main threats will be large hail and damaging winds. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, though. But we are going to be keeping a close watch on that. Switching it back to the current radar. Again, this is valid at now 4:50 this morning, so 10 minutes away from 5 a.m. If you're wondering what these little white boxes are, these are just the special weather statements. We don't really talk about those because those are not technically warnings. But some of the storms this morning are producing hail up to a ½ inch in diameter and winds possibly in excess of 30 miles per hour. So like I said, we will keep a close watch on everything today, and should any kind of watches or warnings come out, I'll make sure and break into regular programming and let you know about it. Folks, have yourselves a wonderful Monday and take care.